I don't know, man. I think Nike going too crazy with this bi-coastal color.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And y'all know I wasn't passing on these. Not with Nike Air on the booty. When you put Nike Air on the booty, you kind of got me most of the time. 9 out of 10 times. But this is the Jordan 3 from Nina Chanel Abney. And she's from my hometown, man. She's from New York. Great artist, making waves. And that's another reason I had to get it. But y'all know, y'all come to me for the honest reviews. And when Nike and Nina dropped them Jordan 2s right there, wasn't for me. Just that's what we gonna say. That wasn't for me. But when I first started seeing pictures of this sneaker, it reminded me so much of CPFM. I didn't even think about the bi-coastal color from the Girl Dad joints, from the Kobe joints. I just saw this orange, and then I seen like the plant reminded me of the CPFM, and I just had to get it, man. So these dropped last week. I entered almost 15 raffles, guys. I didn't hit on one. But Sneakers app looked out, so shouts out to them. And you know we don't do too much long talking here at Sneaker Notes. Let's unbox them. Hit the music.
Unboxing time.
You could tell when an artist gets a collab from Jordan, because even the box is super dope. I know y'all only could see it on camera, but it has like that sandpaper feel. Like that graffiti, you know, the thing that you spray in a graffiti, like to put like a shape or something on a wall or whatever. I can't think of the name, but it has that sandpaper feel. Has paint splatter all over it too, on the 2 to 3. Huge Jordan jump, man. Nice orange color. Designs everywhere, guys. And like I said, graffiti. You can see the design is made to look like it's graffiti. Stencil is what I'm looking for. Has that stencil feel. So yeah, most of the box is orange, black sparkles, white sparkles. And on the bottom, you get all the bells and whistles in blue. It reads Women Air Jordan 3 Retro OG SP by Coastal Black. When you flip open the lid, you get the dope green and bi-coastal paper with more of her art on there. You see MJ, you see the 23. You got like a Mr. Potato Head, smiley face, in black and white. Under that, you also got 1988, which was on the hoodies. Under that, you got the regular white tissue paper. And let's start with the right shoe. Yes, sir. And here's a 360 view of the right shoe. Man, this canvas look is dope. Let's start with the toe box. Canvas look all around. It's bi-coastal. I guess all of this can't be bi-coastal. But the canvas part definitely give me Girl Dad Kobe vibes. That green, that bi-coastal look, canvas. And then wrapped around and you get like the golf carpet. And that green is what really caught me. I don't believe that's bi-coastal. I believe that's regular green. But most of the shoe is canvas. Around the toe box, there you go. That golf look I'm telling you right there. That top golf look around. CPFM vibes. I really like that, man. And it goes from light to dark too, guys. Light, dark, light, dark. So that's a dope look. Under it, you get, I won't say a vintage look, but definitely a beige, sandy look on the bottom. You do get the rugged stars that you usually get in the Jordan 3. Dope look, man. Let's get to the back now. You know I'm hyped to get to the back. Got that Nike Air on the booty, man. That's also in that grass look. Feels soft too. Nike, swoosh, Air, Really dope. If the Jumpman there when it was in this grass look, I would like it too, but I really, really like that Nike Air there. And around there is more of the grass too. Goes from light to dark also on the back. And you also get hits of it at the top too, close to the sock liner. The tongue is also in that canvas too. You get like a beige Jumpman here that matches with the shoelaces that come laced in it. Got these rope laces. A few SBs last year came with these as a second option, the skinny rope laces. But you do get orange, and y'all know I'm going definitely with the orange. I know it's still going to give me Dorito SB vibes that I own already, but it's a Jordan 3 with Nike Air on the back, so I really like that. But you do get the orange shoelaces also. The eyelids or the shoelace holders is also in that creamish white too. And if you look close, you got some grass there too. So a lot of that grass green is in there. The tongue is definitely canvas. The back of the tongue, you got an orange tag there that reads Nike, right? Or it reads Nina. Her name is in the inside. It reads Nina. The sock line is leather, so no problems there with it dirtying. Might be a little stiff on the ankle part, the Achilles part, but I doubt it. This leather looks very, very plush. As you can see, it's wrinkling already. And in the inside, you got a Jordan Jumpman logo in a circle with orange and white checkerboard. This is the left here, same thing, checkerboard, Jordan man. But you do get a nice hang tag. And it's not like your 1990s hang tag that's heavy. Very, very thin, very, very lightweight. I mean, I'm taking it off anyway. I hate to hear that noise. But one side you got orange Air, the other side white Air. So really dope. The inside of this should say Air Jordan since the other one said Nina. And that's exactly what it said. So the left side got Air Jordan, the right side says Nina. Nike Air on the back. This orange tab just makes it even harder, man. I like this orange and green blend, man. Let's get to the bottom. You got like your tennis ball green there. Orange there, Nike. You seen one Jordan 3 bottom. They usually look like this. This one is just way more colorful. Yeah, man. I think Nina delivered with these, man. I hate like being picky. I just wish it was a little bit more orange in the sneaker, like maybe on the eyelid hits, the circle ones. But other than that, man, this sneaker is fire. When I didn't win any raffles and I forgot about the sneaker drop, I was like, I'm just going to buy them third party. So at that time, GOAT had a size 12, which is a men's 10.5, women's 12, for about $480, $490. I said, once it go to $450, I'm going to grab it. It went to $444, but the drop still ain't happened yet. I said, let me wait. And then Sneakers App got them. After I got them on Sneakers App, I looked on GOAT and StockX about an hour later. Prices did drop. They went down to like $380, $370. And today, before I started recording, I saw them at $300, $308. So I don't think it's never going to go down to like $250 because I think retail was $220 if I remember right. So resellers ain't going to be that greedy unless it's a restock. And today's days with these Jordans, it may be a restock, guys. It might, man, because I don't know, man. Like, Jordans, they restock and they go into, what's the word I'm looking for?
A few moments later.
Outlets. They go into outlets and, these are too hard, though, I think, to even do that. But I could be wrong. It started at a $500 shoe. It's down to like $300. Who knows, man? But it's like that with the women's sneakers. Like, when you got to get a size 12 or 13 just because it's a women's sneaker, it usually stands that test of time and the price usually stays where it's at. But let me know how y'all feel about these, man. I'm all in on these. I like everything about it. There's nothing I don't like about it. As far as quality, no glue stains. The suede looks A1. Everything's dope, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get rich.